Good day, sir. My name is Francis R.J. Ang, 19 years old from Kabungaan, Villaba, Leyte, Section Delta. Now, here is my explanation. Philosophers and scientists alike have long debated the origins of the universe and whether God exists. Without relying on scripture, one can turn to philosophical reasoning such as the cosmological argument, which suggests that everything that begins to exist must have a cause. Since the universe itself had a beginning, it logically requires a cause beyond itself. This cause cannot be part of physical universe but must be something transcendent, timeless, and of course, powerful enough to bring everything into existence. Many philosophers argue that this and cause points toward God, as only a necessary being could explain why there is something rather than nothing. Now, from a scientific perspective, modern cosmology provides evidence that aligns with the idea of a creator. The Big Bang theory shows that the universe had a definite beginning, which raises the question of what triggered it. Additionally, the fine tuning of physical constants, such as gravity, the speed of light, and the strength of nuclear forces, suggests that the universe is precisely calibrated for life. The probability of these constants aligning by a chance is astronomically low, leading many scientists and thinkers to infer that an intelligent designer set these conditions. This does not prove God in laboratory sense, but it strongly supports the idea that the universe is not a random accident. Finally, the existence of consciousness and moral order also provides evidence for God. Human beings are not merely physical machines. We possess self awareness, creativity, and a sense of right and wrong that cannot be fully explained by material processes alone. Philosophers argue that morality points to a higher source of goodness, while consciousness suggests a mind behind the universe. Taken together, philosophical reasoning, cosmological evidence, fine tuning, and of course the human experience, these arguments build a rational case for God's existence. While science explains the how of the universe, philosophy and reason point to the why, and that deeper why leads us toward God.